If we have a normal grip, I hide it. I can put it in guard, not a problem. But I want to hide it and be ready. Normal grip, knife is next to my leg. I can stand a bit sideways toward him, so I will again conceal my intentions. And when he attacks, I cut his front cowl. Again, when I start, I cut and I come here. Now, left hand pushes, right one pulls, and he's going down. Apply whatever you want, some punches, and look around. Normal grip, hand next to body, like nothing is happening. He attacks, I evade, and I cut him here. Now, knife comes here, and you slice. You can finish by kicking, follow up around, and go away. Other side. We hit the knife. My knife is here, on this side. It is a reverse, if it's a reversed hit, like this, and normal like this. Cut leg, go under, get here, at groin, left hand push, right pulls. I can slice with couple of times, kick him, look around and run.